Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to cover a new topic, and which is very important as per your interview, because whenever interviewer will ask you topic from this one, you just give the basic example which is related to your surroundings and basic definitions. That's all for this topic, okay? Because they will not ask you syntax, but don't worry, we will discuss the syntax too in this topic, okay? How we can write the syntax for the abstract and all things we are going to discuss here, and this topic will be not too much long, okay? And we have covered so many topics in our Java series, so if you have not watched them, please go and watch, and please comment on our banner also, because you can see that we have changed our banner look, okay? So if you like, please make comment, and let's start today's topic. And today's topic is abstract. What is abstract in Java? Okay, so data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Then what is the meaning like hiding certain details and showing essential information to the user? So before going to start this as a as per our series and video, we will take the basic example related to our surrounding, okay? So you can see here like a switch in your room, okay? Switchboard in your room. You only want to know that this is switch, bulb switch, okay? This is the fan switch. By this way I can off the bulb, by this way I can on the bulb, by this way I can off the fan and all AC whatever like equipments there. But you don't want to know how the wiring inside, how the wires are connected, how the earthing wire is working inside that, okay? You don't want to know these things. You only want to know like basic, how is controlling the particular particular machine and all. That much only you want, because you are user there, and the developer means you can say mechanic, like electrician had designed inside how the electricity will supply there, okay? Like how, which wire will control the fan, which wire will control the light and everything. So you only want to know external user, okay? So in here also same like that. Whenever you will develop something, okay, whenever you are developing any application or something, or any API making, user only want to know, if they want to download file, they want to know, okay, I will send the request, file should be downloaded. That's all. They don't want to know that how the inside code has done, from where file is coming and going, and they don't want to know these things. Only they want to know that they will click the button and it will start the function. That's all. So this is the abstraction in Java, okay? By using abstraction, we are hiding the essential information from the user. Only we are giving the only we are giving essential information. Certain information we used to hide from the user, okay? So abstraction can be achieved with either abstract class or interface. Abstract class and interface, two topics, and both topics behave like same, okay? They both used to abstract the data from the user, okay? And the abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for the classes and method. Basically this is a non-access modifier, and for the classes and method we are using. And abstract is a keyword. To create any abstract class, we are using abstract keyword. We are going to see this one through our syntax also, okay? And abstract class, it is a restricted class that can not be used to create object, okay? So we cannot create any object from the abstract class, okay? Like to access it, it must be inherited from the another class, okay? Like they have some conditions also, but don't go too much deep. Just basic things you need to know. Why we are using the abstract class, which keyword is using to create the abstract class, okay? And how we can extract data. How we can extract data from abstract class to show the user, okay? That is the 4 points need to cover, and that's all to understand the abstract in Java, okay? So now come to the okay, so come to the syntax part, and you can see how we are creating the abstract class and how we are taking the data from the abstract class to show the user, okay? So first of all, you need to create abstract class. How we can create? We are using abstract keyword, okay, and writing class and then the class name, okay? And then whatever we have to print, we have to write in one method. The method name is the display method of the abstract class, okay? This is the method of abstract class, public void and method name, and inside we are passing the data which we are going to print, okay? This is abstract class, way to create the abstract class. And now this is our main class, okay? 31, this is main class. The main class name is as per Java rule. So this is our main class. Extending the language is our class name, okay? This is our class name, extending language, because we have to take data from there, okay, and then we are writing public static void main method, and after that we are just creating object of our main class. So this is our main class underscore 31 abstract, okay, and we are creating object for this one. So object is created here, and now we are how we can access, okay. So to access the data from abstract class, we are just writing, okay, we are just taking data from the method. So to take the data from their abstract class method, we need to write obj is the name of our object dot their method name, and by this way we can abstract the data from there, we can access the data from abstract class, okay. So we have written some points for understanding purpose. You can see this way we are creating the object of the main class, and then access method, okay, access method of abstract class can using the object of main class, okay, and then we have certain created the main method, okay. I'm just main class, okay, class that inherits the abstract class, okay. Notice the statement. Now obj.display, here object is object is the object of the child class abstract, okay, child class. This is our main class, and we are calling the method of the abstract class using the object, okay. So by this way we can, or don't get confused too much. Simply you have to just write your abstract class, create your abstract class. In method you need to pass your data, which data you want to access, in main class, and then create object of your main class, and then print the value, okay. To print that one, just write your object name dot and the method of your abstract class. That's all for, and just run this one, and you can get, okay, you can achieve whatever you want. So if I will show you here, you can, this is the Java programming we have written here. This is Java programming, and this Java programming is coming from the abstract method, okay. This is our abstract method because it's in abstract class, so this is, we can say it for understanding purpose, like this is abstract method, and from here we are accessing data in our main class, okay. So that's all for today topic, and I hope you have understand this one. If you are getting any problem, please make comment. We will try to go through this one to make it more easy, and that's it. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.